Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to block people on Facebook. Now you need to know that firstly you need to get up to your profile feed on your section on Facebook, then just scroll down and go find a friend that you want to block. Now for example, go with this friend. Now I need to go on the three dots icon, and here as you can see there is no option for that. Now I need to go on his profile photo by clicking on his name, and then I need to go on the three dots icon, and as you can see on my fifth selection I have the option for blocking him. I will go for block. Now I'm gonna get a description for Facebook supporting team. Then I need to go for block again, and blocking this user is getting up, and if I take a refresh, and it's done guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.